Good afternoon. I am Tiffany Hester, Executive Director of Marketing and Community Benefits, and I want to welcome you to February's Community Update. February is the month of love, and this is a special time of year, and we have a lot to love and celebrate and be excited about in our community and here at TRMC. February is also American Heart Month, and it's a time to focus on heart health, raise awareness, and encourage heart-healthy habits for yourself and those that you love. One of the most important ways we can do that starts tomorrow. Tomorrow is National Wear Red Day, February 6th. I encourage you to wear red in support for cardiovascular disease and raising awareness. What you may need to know is that heart disease is the #1 killer among women. And so please join us tomorrow in wearing red, raising awareness, and showing support for women's heart health. We're going to continue with the theme of hearts throughout February. And the next thing is our Lunch and Learn for our over 55 community. That is going to take place on February 11th from 12 to 1 at the Mount Pleasant Civic Center. Our theme is heart health, and it is being hosted by the Heart and Vascular Institute here at Titus. Dr. Douglas Black will be speaking about AFib and general heart health. He'll be joined by his nurse practitioners, Terry Towns and Hector Zuniga. This Lunch and Learn is a great way to learn about heart health, ask questions, and take proactive steps for a healthier heart. So please join us February 11th from 12 to 1, again at the Mount Pleasant Civic Center for this really informative luncheon. Next, February 21st, we're having our annual React Quicker Save Your Ticker Health Fair. It is in our hospital lobby from 8 to 11, and we invite you to gather your family and join us for this event. It's one of our favorite health fairs. We focus on health, but at that health fair, you will be able to receive low-cost lab work. We are doing lipid panels, A1C checks, PSA screenings for a very low cost. More importantly, we're also doing cardiovascular risk assessments for free. So come and check out your heart and learn about that. We will have other informative health screenings and booths on campus by our clinics and community partners. So please come on February 21st. Bring your family. It's a great opportunity to check in on your health and connect with resources close to home. February is also a time to recognize the people who give so much of themselves, and that it's National Caregivers Day. And I personally want to thank those caregivers out there. You give so much of yourself, whether you're taking care of a family member or a friend. Your strength and compassion is heartwarming, and you are making such a big difference in the lives of those you care for. So thank you to all of our caregivers. Also, I want to congratulate and give props to our participants in the Pounds Down Challenge. We still have 21 active participants in this challenge, and they are doing the work and shedding the weight. We have 5 of our leaders shared on this screen today, and I just want to encourage them to keep working hard. We are watching. It's great to see y'all do that. I also want to thank our personal trainers and exercise specialists. Y'all are doing a great job encouraging these participants, and it's been fun to watch. And I encourage you, follow it on Facebook. Wait and see these wonderful transformations that these people are making. I want to remind you about all the classes and support groups that we have going on here at TRMC. And the first is our childbirth class. The next class is February 12th. What is important to note is that you have to pre-register for this class. So you can either scan the QR code that you see here on the screen or go to titusregional.com to sign up for this class. These classes are a great way to prepare yourself for labor and being a new parent. They go through how to get through the pain of labor, taking care of a newborn. They just give you the confidence that you need and help you be prepared for that day when it comes. So please, if you are going to be a new parent, sign up for these childbirth classes. The next support group is our diabetes support group, and they are meeting on February 17th from 4 to 5 at Titus Cardiac Rehab, and that's next to Menadeo Eye Center. If you are a diabetic or somebody that you live with or love has diabetes, this is a support group that is for all of you. You can come together, you can learn things from one another, support each other, and just find out what's working for you and just have great fellowship. So join that group on Tuesday, February 17th. Next is our postpartum mommy check-in. All you new mamas out there, this is a great way for you all to come together, support each other, talk about what's working, what tips you have for one another. Our labor and delivery team is there to support you. They are meeting on February 19th from 6 to 7 p.m. in the Williams Conference Center. That is in our main hospital lobby on the 3rd floor. Bring your little one, come in, talk to these women, share your baby and all the things that are going great in your life. It's a great group for you to connect with. Next, we have our cancer support group. They also meet at Titus Cardiac Rehab next to Menadeo Eye Center, and they are meeting on February 24th from 4 to 5 p.m. If you are a cancer survivor or going through treatment right now, this group is for you. It's a great way to come together with people who can identify with what you're going through, and you can support each other and lean on one another while you go through this time. So please join us for that as well. These groups are here to support and educate and connect our community. Now, finally, what many of you have probably tuned in for, I want to take a moment to share an important update from our TRMC Board of Managers. On February 2nd, after a thoughtful and thorough evaluation process, the board voted to move forward with a sale to Christus Health. This decision was not made lightly. The board carefully reviewed potential partners with a strong focus on mission alignment, long-term stability, and what is truly best for our community. The goal of this partnership is to strengthen access to high-quality, compassionate care right here at home. This includes expanding clinical services, additional resources that are needed, and long-term support for this region. Just as important, this partnership is designed to preserve our commitment to quality care that you have come to know and expect from TRMC. It's also important for you to know that our day-to-day operations will not stop. We will continue without interruption. Our providers, our clinics, our caregivers, our services, they remain here for you, and your patient care will continue as usual. You may have also seen yesterday's Facebook post by Dr. Mason and Dr. Slovak Tucker when they clarified their intent to continue to provide the full spectrum of women's health care in this community. As being able to support women's services was a critical concern of the community, and as we've always and will continue to be strong champions of our independent community partners, we're pleased to be able to tell you that Christus has provided us with a strong plan to address that issue. While I can't tell you details of that today, we will soon be able to offer more details about the benefits of joining Christus Health. As this process moves forward, we are committed to transparency and ongoing communication. There are more details about implementation and next steps, and as they become available, I will share them with you. This is an important transition, and we want the community to feel supported and connected. This partnership represents an important step in long-term access to quality care right here in Titus County, and we appreciate your engagement as we move forward through this process. As we wrap up, I want to bring something fun to you, and that is on February 17th, it's Random Acts of Kindness Day. This is such a fun reminder of even the smallest act can make such a big difference, whether it's holding a door, giving a thank you note, checking on a neighbor, or even a smile. All of these little things added together make us a stronger community. So I encourage you, not only on February 17th, but every day to provide those random acts of kindness. It will be more fun for all of us and make us stronger. Finally, as we celebrate the month of love, I want to wish you and your family a very happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for being such a supportive community. From all of us at TRMC, we're grateful for you. We are honored to take care of you, not just today, but every day. Have a great day.